How to add a text clip in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page where you do your timeline editing. Next, look for the Effects Library tab on the top left side of the screen. Inside the Effects Library, find the Title section. This is where all text related tools are located. After that, drag and drop the text or text plus effect onto the timeline where you want the text to appear. You can place it on a new video track above your footage so it overlays properly. Once the text clip is on the timeline, select it and go to the inspector panel on the top right corner. In the inspector, you can customize your text by typing whatever you want in the text box. You can change the font, size, color, and position to suit your style. Adjusting the size and placement carefully will help the text fit well with your video visuals. You can also add effects like shadows or outlines from the same panel to make your text more visible. If you want the text to appear for a longer or shorter duration, simply click and drag the edges of the text clip on the timeline to extend or reduce its length. This gives you control over how long the text stays on the screen. Finally, preview your video to see how the text looks and make any final tweaks if needed. When you are happy with your result, save your project and you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to add a text clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.